Hi everyone, welcome you all. So we have completed our dictionary chapter. Now it's time to have some programs so that you can have some hands-on experience and you can have a ease with dictionary handling. Okay. So in this context, we are going to check out one of the program that is count the number of times a character appears in a given string using a dictionary. Okay, so for example, we have a string, let's say str is the string, and we are going to specify some strings. Okay, or s1 can be the good option. Let's say the sun and the moon. Okay, now here what we are going to do, we are going to simply count the number of characters. For example, if we have a T, now it is present two times, H is present two times, and so on, right? So we are going to do it with the help of a dictionary only. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to have a dictionary that is a empty dictionary. Okay, dr, that's perfectly fine, and or d, and that's a empty dictionary. Now what we need to do, we need to have a list. For example, let's say it can be a lst char. Okay, so it will store all the characters, and we are going to check if a character is already in the list. We are not going to have the list. Okay, or what we need to do, we need to simply have a plus, right? So what we are going to do is, okay, we need not to have a list. We will be simply using a for loop for I in s1. That's perfectly fine. So this will iterate on the list, and if we say that by default d dot set default is equals to, let's say, the new character that we are going to specify, and we are going to have this 0. So what it will do, it will simply insert a new value in the d. Okay, if it is there. Okay, now if this is the case, means for example, if we have the value, then what we are going to do, we are going to increase it, and we'll add 1. Okay, so dot mm, let's say we have keys. Actually this will give the keys, right? And we are going to convert it into a list. That's perfect. And if we are going to check, right, for example, let us remove this. We do not want to use this. If list of d, I in list of d. Okay, if it is this, if this is the case, what we are going to do, we are going to simply mm, add the values, right? So how to add the values is, uh, we have s1 of I plus is equals to 1. Okay, else if this is not the case, s1 of I is equals to 1. Okay, that will be perfectly fine. And now let us print this dictionary. Okay, so instead of a s1 it should be d, so let's use the d only. Okay, d. Let us execute this piece of code and check it out whether my program is working or not. Okay, so my program is not working because I have to print a d instead of s1. Let's do it. So t is present 2 time, h is present 2 time, e is present 2 time, and actually I'm not going to explain this. You have to figure it out how this program is working. So see, I'm able to do it, but you have to find the reason how and why I have used these pieces of code. Now what you need to do is you have to write this program in your copy, line by line, and you have to explain from line number 5 to line number 10 why I have used these lines, right? So let us conclude this topic here only. Goodbye and have a nice day.